Okay, I'm here in the Montreal, and the other day I had the heat on, and I was cold because my feet had cold air blowing on it. And it's from right there. There's a ram air vent that brings air from the base of the windshield where those vents are. You can't see at the moment. And there's another one here on the passenger side. On the passenger side, you'll notice it's got a hole there and a hole there for the mechanism that holds it together. And then you see these crenellations here too. These are part of the mechanism. Let it stay in position. And if you rotate it, it opens. And you rotate it clockwise, it closes, etc., etc. So then this is the actual mechanism. I've got the other side here. I'm missing a bunch of pieces, and I hope someone can tell me what I'm missing and what order all this stuff should go together to make sure what I found is at least reasonably close to accurate, because what I found clearly had a number of pieces that don't belong. If they do belong in this mechanism, they weren't in the order they should have been. But when they're in place, this rotation here controls which way the wind is, the air coming in is blowing. And then this one is broken. But this piece, you grab the handle and you move it around, and it rotates that piece to open and close. So looking at the other one, we can see how I found this one assembled. Actually, the passenger side I found without a screw at all holding it together, which I don't know how it stayed there. I still don't understand. But you have this little finger, which is spring-loaded. You see a little spring in there. I believe it really should be a bigger spring. Something from a ballpoint pen, a little clicky pen, probably will work. I'm going to try not to lose that spring. But this had, I believe, all the way down here, this foam washer. Then we have this screw through this and washers to hold it in place. Still not confident how much of this is original and how much of this has been cobbled together over the years by other owners as things came apart. But I've got this screw, a toothed washer, and a regular washer. This comes off. And you have the center piece here is spring-loaded to tension that vent so it doesn't just rotate willy-nilly. If you place it with the air blowing up, it'll stay blowing up, etc. And then this has two fingers on it that mesh with that mechanism. And then as you rotate it, the white piece in the bottom is interacting with those crenellations to keep it in place. So wherever you put it, it will stay. And then these little fingers are in that little valve, and they will open and close as needed. And then we've got this little foam insulator here to seal it and prevent air from coming around when you close it, or presumably. So that's what I have. Can someone please chime in and tell me what I should have? Because I don't know if I have everything, and if I do have everything, I don't know what order they all go back together in. I can fake it, but I'd like to know for certain. And then lastly, because my driver's side one is broken, I'm wondering if anyone has another that they'd be willing to sell to me. So please let me know.